Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about NFTs, and NFTs are extremely trendy and popular right now. We didn't talk so much about NFTs recently. I've been making my videos about NFTs just few months ago, but now actually a lot is going on the market, on the crypto market, and it's all including NFTs and different blockchains who are joining NFT world. And if before the only one marketplace and blockchain for NFTs was Ethereum blockchain and marketplace was OpenSea, now there's a lot and it's adding more and more every day. So now, for example, there is Solana's based NFTs, even Polygon based NFTs, ADA based NFTs, and different blockchains are joining NFTs. Okay guys, thanks for joining my video again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment my videos. Your support is really important for me, so I will be really appreciate it, guys. So let's go to CoinMarketCap, and here we can search by categories and we can find NFT, of course. Yeah, we will find NFTs based on altcoins and crypto tokens here. So if we will go to another marketplace like OpenSea, we will see more. But let's see that Decentraland Mana is the first one. After that, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, and different one. And Decentraland is the first one. And I remember I checked few days ago, or maybe 1 week ago. I remember Sand was the first one. So yeah, Mana is going crazy. Actually, everyone is creating NFTs right now. It's easy to create NFTs, but it's not easy to be really trendy and famous in this crypto NFT world. Even Disney created NFTs, and let's look at this closely. Characters from its Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, and Simpsons works have been released from 7 November. The sale will end with an ultra rare digital collectible to be released on 12th November. And it was crazy because I remember I read about it, and Disney NFTs collection was sold by $1 million just in 3 or 4 seconds, which is insane, guys. Let's look at some marketplace for NFTs, and of course the first one and number one is OpenSea. We can go to rankings here and see, of course, CryptoPunks, it's number one. I've never seen somebody else in this position but CryptoPunks. And Wizards and Dragons Games is the second one, but just by last 7 days. So let's look at the all-time. And of course it's CryptoPunks, Board App, and Decentraland number 3, which is insane, guys. Sandbox, of course, number 6. I remember it took higher position, but yeah, it's fine. Crypto market is extremely volatile right now and always. So let's look at other marketplace, which is marketplace.axieinfinity.com. Of course, it's marketplace only for Axie Infinity, and here you also can purchase your NFTs, which is connected to Axie Infinity. And total sale is 68,000, and total volume is $14 million, and Axie sold 67,000. Another one really famous marketplace and ranked by number 3, maybe it's Decentraland, of course. And here also you can purchase your NFTs the same as on different website connected to different blockchains and NFTs. So let's talk about one upcoming project which is insanely, and today is pre-sale going on, and the launch pad going to be NFT just in few hours, like in 2 or 3 hours, and you can get your NFTs here. And we're talking about SLAMCoin NFTs. So yeah guys, SLAMCoin going to launch their NFT, and today it's second pre-sale, and as I remember, during the first pre-sale 8 million tokens was sold just in 58 seconds, which is crazy guys. And today it's second pre-sale, and pre-sale price is 15 cents only. So it's kind of great opportunity to buy token and NFTs on really cheap price. And it's crazy because if you will think about it, that pre-sale price it's 15 cents. After it's launched, you can make 5x just in few hours after that, because token will be listed with the price 60 cents, and it will go up of course. So yes, it's great potential for you to participate in this pre-sale, because really, as everyone know, pre-sales really makes you money. Let's look at the website of SLAMCoin, and yeah, here you can find the SLAMCoin white paper, and let's look at some moments of white paper right here. Marketplace SLAMNFT provide users with a crypto-powered digital item and trading platform for building, buying and selling NFT trade on SLM, and for the provision of additional services such as auction listing, governance mechanism, tracing the business history based on user opinions, and more. The aim of the SLAMNFT market is to offer a platform for social media users to sell, buy and trade digital pictures. The NFT industry is still in its infancy, but it is expanding years after year, with new NFT innovations joining the market on a daily basis. Let's look at this paragraph here, which is saying anyone who already has NFT bought on SLAMNFT may bring those tokens to both SLAMNFT and the social marketplace by linking their crypto wallet and buying them at the appropriate price. So yeah guys, here you can read about white paper to see all the condition for that. And let's go to the website. Here you can see that pre-sale starts just in 4 hours. So yeah guys, you can't imagine how many X you can make by buying on the pre-sale and really cheap prices during the pre-sale. It's really great opportunity, so don't lose this opportunity. And you can join pre-sale link right here below my videos. You just click on it and you go straight to your wallet, and it's really easy to register. Type your phone number here, your email, password, and sign up. It takes only 20 seconds. So yeah guys, don't forget about this link below my video, and don't forget about this great opportunity for you to participate in this pre-sale, because it's going to make you a lot of money. And guys, about another upcoming NFTs, you can go straight to the different website, for example as this one, upcoming nft.art, and you will see different projects which is going to launch just in few days, few weeks. And you can find the projects based on different blockchains, for example as on Solana blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, and yeah, of course you can find the pre-sales here. And yes, you can get your NFTs with really cheap and ridiculous price and double or triple your money. Let's not forget about one really important tool for you. It's rarity.tools, where you can understand how rare your NFT is. If you are going to purchase your NFTs and you are choosing between different NFTs, it's really important to go to this website and understand how rare your NFT is. So it's really easy to use this website. Here you can see newest collections added. If you scroll down, you can see more recent collection, but also top collections. Of course, it's CryptoPunks. So yeah, let's choose one of it, and we're going to understand how rare NFTs are on this website. So let's look at the Cool Cats NFTs. And yes, here you can see how many many items here, and the floor price as well. And yeah, you can find here few cats, which is number 1. It means they are really rare, and it's better to purchase and buy these NFTs. I'll explain you why. For example, we go to this one and we see that rarity score 8000 here, and we can see why, because of body, which adds some points to this score, because of heads, sheared face, and you can differentiate a lot on this website and understand why it's so rare. So yeah, it's really cool and good to use this tool, because somebody will maybe list the NFT for really cheap price just because they don't understand how rare it is, and you can get your rare piece of NFT really easy with this website. So don't forget about this website, guys, as well. So yeah, guys, that was my video update about NFTs. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video.